Hey guys, the tip for this video is regarding string operations in Pandas data frame. So let me quickly import the required things. So here I have the IMDb dataset, which is basically a collection of entries from movies on the IMDb website. And what I wish to do is I wish that this original language Pandas series object, I wanted it in a list format, and I also want to convert this language names into uppercase. So I want this EN to be uppercase EN. So the traditional method of doing such a task is using the anonymous function lambda. And as you can see here, I'm taking the df column, original language, and I'm applying the lambda function on every column, on every object, and just basically converting it to uppercase. And then I'm finally converting the whole column, uppercase column, into a list. Let us see how much time does this take. It runs this time it function is a magic function. It runs a particular task for many loops, many times. So it will give us the mean time. So it is giving us the mean time as 1.18 milliseconds. Now let us see how much time does this second method, which is the map method, take. Let me execute it. So map is basically an object which was first used in C++, I think, and it is taking around 570 microseconds. So first, let us see that if the two operations are returning the same output. Executing it, we can see that the result is true. That means these two operations or the line of code are doing the same task. Now let us see by how much times is the second method faster. So just dividing the times and converting it to seconds. So the second method, which is the map method, is almost twice as fast as the lambda method. This ratio can or will definitely increase if our Pandas data frame scales, because there comes a time where an particular function starts to outperform another function, and that is called the critical N. And here we can see that it is already performing better, but this ratio will always increase if your data frame scales. So this was all for this video, and thank you for watching, and keep an eye out for another tips in the future. Thank you.